So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Oculus subscription quickly and easily. Let's get started. So first, open the Oculus app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your account setting. Next, select Settings in the top right corner. And in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Subscriptions. You'll see your active subscriptions here. Select the subscription you want to cancel. Now tap on Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Remember, your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Oculus subscription.